and welcome to Cover or Die, your source for Gears 5 PVE tips and tricks, straight from Gears 5 PVE masters. Today we bring you a little-known technique, chainsawing pouncers. The pouncer is vulnerable during its pounce attack. It won't pounce if you've already got your chainsaw up, so don't rev the lancer until the pouncer starts to jump. How do you know when the pouncer will pounce? Right before jumping, the pouncer shakes its head and squeals. When it squeals, the pouncer reveals its mouth tendrils. Here's a close-up view of those mouth tendrils. Learn to recognize the pre-pouncing sound and animation. If you're having trouble, it might be your positioning. Be at least 10 meters away. And don't back away after the jump. So remember, don't back away. Stand your ground and catch that pouncer. Thanks for watching Cover or Die. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.